Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Muzaffar Hussain and I'm working as an overseas marketing head for J&M Leather Safety Gloves Industries, Pakistan. We have been manufacturing all kinds of leather safety gloves and work wears since 1992. So the today's session is very interesting because we are going to provide you the most valuable information about the manufacturing techniques of leather welding gloves, which is highly acceptable and used in different markets, just like in welding, constructions, in spark and heat resistance. So let's get started with that. So the first and foremost important step of manufacturing leather welding gloves is the selection of raw materials. I have different kinds of materials with the different sort of colors, just like the yellow, the red, the green, the brown, and a lot of more colors. But today we are working on the yellow welding gloves. So we have to start it on the yellow welding gloves. So let's start with the selection of raw materials because this is a very important step in the manufacturing process. So we have a lot of many types of leather skins. Just like we have to see the good quality skin in it. I think this one is of the good quality skin. So I need to find out the good quality skins. For that is the skin should be of a good thickness, more attractive colors, and should hold high spark and heat resistance. So right, we are into the cutting section, and in cutting section, Mr. Shukrullah is joining me. He is one of the most experienced cutter in our company. So he will tell us, or he will do how he is cutting right now, and which part of skin they are using for that. And let's start, Mr. Shukrullah. So let's get started with the stitching process, and in a stitching department, Mr. Rizwan is joining me here. He's one of the most experienced and one of the most technical stitcher in our company. So Mr. Rizwan, let's get started with the stitching, please. In the stitching process, we will first manufacture the lining material for welding gloves. To manufacture the lining material, we have a high quality thread here, which is called as Para Aramid Kevlar Thread. So let's start with that. For the welding gloves, it's very special and very important thread for that.